Life on Earth is vibrant and ceaseless through ecosystems where living organisms and non-living elements interact. Let us welcome you to one of these spectacular manifestations of life, the freshwater ecosystems. These ecosystems are diverse and varied. If you look around, you'll see that they face unique challenges. Jeopardized ecosystems can be recolonized by other species, a process known as community reassembly. How does this happen? Species refuge themselves in new environments and shape these new communities. But a significant law of the universe comes into play: time. In an example based on experiments, these three communities of species will inevitably arrive in a certain order, with varying amounts of time in between. This will definitely influence resource availability and species interactions, thus born the notions of order and timing of arrival, generally referred to as history. Have you noticed the bright bubbles? These symbolize ecosystem functions. In theory, they are assessed as manifested by ecosystem processes built on species activities and interactions. Considering the previous question, would ecosystem functions change if the gametes arrive first? What if early arriving species only had a few days to develop? Changes in assembly impact ecosystem functions. These questions highlight the significance of community assembly history in shaping species identity and ecosystem functioning. Scientists in the Community History and Ecosystem Functioning or CHEF project focuses on these themes, staging communities where species share varying functional traits affecting their resource needs. For instance, some communities feature functionally distant participants, like the previous model, while others force species to share resources more extensively. Example, a community with 3 species of freshwater snails. Adding to the previous community examples, the CHEF project also wants to know what lies at the origin of the cascade of life as we know it. Let's magnify our scale. Here they are, the primary producers. Researchers at CHEF selected 3 diatom species for one community, and a diatom, green algae, and cyanobacterium for another. More models to test the same theories of community assembly. A research project like such would allow an in-depth understanding of how the history of species arrival would affect ecosystem functioning through the models of freshwater ecosystems that applies to other kinds of ecosystems as well. These insights are highly important in the conservation and management of ecosystems.